So dear children, as we are discussing about the concentration of a solution, so I am taking some numerical problem which is based on the concentration of a solution. So the first question is, a solution contains 30 gram of sugar dissolved in 370 gram of water. So what is the amount of the solute? Here is 30 gram and dissolved in 370 gram of the water. So calculate the concentration. We have to find out the concentration of sugar in this solution. So first of all, you everyone know the formula of the concentration of a solution. How can we find out? The formula of concentration of solution is concentration of the solution equal mass of solute. Everyone knows mass of solute, mass of solution multiply 100. So according to this question, first we have given mass of solute. What is the mass of solute? 30 gram. What is the mass of solvent? 370 gram. Now what is the amount of the solution? 30 the plus 370. The answer is 400 gram. Now put the value in this formula. So mass of solute. Mass of solute is 30 gram. Mass of solution 400 gram. Multiply 100. 0, 0. Cancel. Now find out 30 divided by. Now next is 30 divided by 4. So what is the answer? The answer is 7.5. 7.5 mass percentage. What is the meaning of the mass percentage? 7.5% sugar dissolved in a solution. In a total solution, 30 gram sugar dissolved in a solution. And total amount of the solution is 400. Next is a question is, a solution contains 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. So student, here is, what is the formula? Same formula. Concentration of solution equal volume of solute then volume of solution. Right? So first of all, what is the volume of solute? Volume of solute is given 50 ml and solvent 150 ml. So volume of solute is 50 ml. Volume of solvent is 150 ml. So total solution 50 plus 150. So what is the answer? 200 ml. 200 ml is the total value of total amount of the solution. So now put the value in this formula. Here is volume of solute 50 ml. Volume of solution 200 ml. Multiply 100. Here is multiply 100. So 0 से 0 cancel. 2 divided by 50. 2 2 ja 4. 2 5 ja 10. So this is the volume. This is the volume percentage. What is the volume percentage? In this liquid 2.5 alcohol present in the 25. This is not 2.5, sorry. This is the 25 alcohol present in this solution. When we divided 50 divided by 2, the answer is 25. 25 present 25 volume percentage, 25 alcohol present in this solution. So student, again I revise this. Again this is the numerical base of the concentration of a solution, and this is the numerical based on the concentration of a solution in volume and mass. यहाँ पे जब हमारा solid form में है, we can use this formula, and when our solute is in liquid form, so we can use this formula. Here is solute is given 30 gram, then solvent 370 gram. So what is the total mass of solution? 30 plus 370, total 400 gram. Again 30 for total mass of solution, 400 multiply 100, 0 cancel. So when divide 30 divided by 4, 7.5 mass percentage, 7.5 mass sugar dissolved in a 400 gram solution. Next is concentration of solution, volume of solute, volume of solution multiply 100, volume of solute 50 ml, volume of solvent 150 ml, solution 50 plus 150, total solution 200 ml. So volume of solute again 50 ml, 200 ml multiply 100, and when we are dividing 50 divided by 2, 25 volume percentage. So student, I hope you all understood how numerical will be solved by these two formulas. So this is very important formulas. So everyone, you have to note down in your register and learn also, and do practice at your home, students. So you can do easily all numerical of according to base this topic. I hope you all understood this. Thank you so much, students. Students, if you are not able to see complete